Hello students, here a gunman observes a remote controlled balloon in the enemy territory. When first noticed, it is at an altitude 800 meter. This is the balloon, and it is moving upward with the constant speed 5 meter per second. 5 meter per second space it is moving upward. Then the gunman, and it is 600 meter away from the gunman. As the gunman observes the cell and he fires the cell with a velocity 400 meters per second to shoot these balloons, and that is to destroy the balloon. And how long did the gunman wait before he fired? मतलब उसको फायर करने के लिए, शूट करने के लिए उसको कितना वेट करना पड़ेगा, ये हमें फाइंड करना था. तो यहाँ पे हम दिस डिस्टेंस इज अलोंग द हॉरिजॉन्टल डायरेक्शन एंड that this is along the vertical direction, that this will be the path of the projectile. So this is the extra distance this balloon should travel in the same time it shooted to from the fire is from here. So the time is to travel this distance is horizontal and vertical motions are independent to each other. So for horizontal motion the distance is r, that is u cos theta is the horizontal velocity, that is 400 into cos theta. Cos of sin theta is here, that is 3 by 5. Then cos theta is 4 by 5. Okay, then it is 4 by 5 into this value time period to reach here, because in the same time it reaches the distance here and it reaches the same height, this height. Okay, that is in time t, and here r is 1600, then time is 5 seconds. So it takes only 5 seconds to reach this height. So we have to find this total height traveled by the balloon 800 already traveled, and this much distance in the time required. So for that, this height is, let's say this distance is y, it is ut minus half gt square, that is u is initial speed in vertical direction, that is u sin theta into time period is 5 minus half into g is 10 and time is 5 square, that is 25. Okay, here 5 cancel, that is 1200 minus, that is 125. ये वैल्यू आ जाएगी आपकी 5 10 9 1 sorry 7 and this is 0 and 1. So this is the height it travels in 5 seconds vertically upward. Then this distance total is in the time will be 1075. 800 already here, then this distance is 1075 minus 800, that is 752, 275 meter distance, and this is moving with 5 meter per second, then divide by 5, that value is 5 5 ja 25. Total time it take 55 minutes from here to reach here. And if we want to shoot this with this फायर, तो इसके लिए हमें क्या होगा, 5 सेकेंड पहले इसको फायर करना पड़ेगा. दिस इज द टोटल टाइम इट टेक्स 55 seconds from this height to this height, and in that 55 seconds we should fire this 5 minutes before so that it can fire it. So the time 5 seconds is for this and 50 seconds. तो उसको कितने टाइम तक वेट करना पड़ेगा, 50 seconds तक he should wait, then fire, and in 5 seconds it travel the height and it from here shoot it. ठीक है, तो 50 seconds के लिए उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा, वेट करना पड़ेगा. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.